Hello parents, this is teacher Noreen and students. Today we're going to learn about special sounds. Do you know which these are? Yes, the short vowel sounds. These are very special sounds. Without these we can't make words. Do you know what they are? Let's see if you can remember what they are. Yes, they're 5 short vowel sounds. Do you remember which they are? A, eh, eh, I, o, I'd like you to say them. Now let's follow the circle and say them together. A, I, o, Well done. The children can use their fingers to help them remember the sounds. What you can do, parents, is write the sound on the thumb for the learners and say A. You can write A on the forefinger, I on the middle finger, O on the ring finger, and on the baby finger. Short vowel sounds. The children can use their fingers to help them remember. By writing on their fingers, it will help them remember what the sounds are. They point to the thumb for the A sound, index finger A, middle finger I, ring finger O, and the baby finger Let's read some words with the short vowel sounds. What's this one? Bat. That's right, bat. What's this one? Egg. Egg. This one is fin. Well done. What's this one? Caught. K-o-t. Caught. What's this one? K-a-b. K-a-b. Cub. This will be a good way for the children to remember the short vowel sounds. Use the left hand, and on the thumb you can write the sound A, forefinger middle finger I, ring finger O, and the baby finger These are known as vowels. They are special sounds and they are called vowels. All the other letters in the alphabet are known as consonants. Thank you, children. So you've learned vowels are the special sounds and all the other letters are known as consonants. Thank you.